Hey there, Molly with the Restored Dogwood. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Country Chic products that I'm going to be using for my project right behind here. So stay tuned. So on our channel, we talk about all of the eco-friendly and sustainable products that we use and the companies that we support, small businesses that we support, and how we use those products and fix up furniture that needs a little bit extra love. So if that sounds like something that you are wanting to learn a little bit more about, then please subscribe, hit the bell notifications, leave a like, and just follow along with our journey. So let me get started. So this is the big box that I got in the mail, actually UPS yesterday from Country Chic. So I'm gonna go through it, and I have not even really peeked in here. All I did was open it up. And so you guys are going to be learning what I got along with me. So here we go. So this first thing looks like an apron. Oh, so exciting. And it is an apron, yay! So I will be wearing this when I am working on my project. Thank you, love it. I've never had a painting apron before, so, and I usually don't wear this. We're actually gonna go out for a little family trip here in a minute, so that's why I'm actually looking halfway decent today. So what else did I get? Oh, I got a one of their paint cards. This is really, really helpful because there aren't any local retailers near me. The closest one is about a good hour away. So this is really nice for me to be able to see all what the colors look like. I'm a very visual person. Probably every furniture painter is visual, but I just feel like I'm an extra visual person, so this is really going to help me with my color choices. Two of these little sponges, if you haven't seen these are awesome. I love these things for putting the top coat on, so that will be really handy when I'm doing the top coat for this big long dresser. So that's really awesome. And now they sent me two brushes. Ooh, I haven't seen this one. I've got the larger one, but this is a really good size. This must be their, yeah, 1.5 inch. I believe the one that I have is a 2 inch. So I really love their brushes. Really makes the product go on so smooth. Synthetic brush. It's really, really, really good quality. And then this one, I don't know what this one is. Guys, I don't remember seeing this on their website, so I'm gonna have to learn and see what this is. And I will update you guys below when I figure out what this is. So yeah, this is really awesome. And now the colors. Oh, no, this is actually the Tough Coat. So really excited to try this. I have not tried the Tough Coat. I've just tried the Clear Coat before. So I'm gonna be using this for protecting the top layer of the dresser when we get it all painted, because this is gonna be getting a lot of tough love, this dresser here. We've got big plans for it. So this is their Soiree color. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually going to whitewash. I'm going to use it as a wash for the 3 dressers, or sorry, this 3 drawers that I have. So I'm going to paint the whole thing in sage. Let's see. Here we go. In Sage Advice. It's really pretty green color. So that's going to be the whole thing. And then I'm going to do a wash with the Soiree on the 3 drawers, and then the bottom part, sort of this farmhousey, these wood palette pieces that we have, so that they match the drawers together. So it looks really good in my head. So I guess we'll see, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And the primer. So I have not tried the primer yet. Really excited about this. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I do a lot of prep work. 90% of what I do with furniture is prep work. It's so important. I've regretted when I didn't do that work. So I'm definitely going to be priming this because it was glossy, even though I did a scuff sand. Again, check all that stuff out on Instagram because I do a lot of reels and stories and so forth. But I scuff sanded to try to get some of the glossy stuff off, but I definitely want to prime it, the whole thing. And I'm actually going to be painting the inside too. So yeah, a lot of prep work. So, oh, and they sent me other things in here. Oh, the brush soap, yay! I usually just use, eco-friendly soap that we use upstairs to wash our dishes. That's what I use to wash my brushes and take care of them. And that's been working really great. But I have seen other Country Chic ambassadors use their brush soap. And so I'm really excited. Of course, this is, eco-friendly, huge part of their entire business, Country Chic, which is a big reason why I love their product and I love the company. So really excited to try this brush soap. Thank you so much. I think this all looks like it's packing material. The rest of it, paper, not plastic. I'd like to point that out. So I'm really excited to get started. Make sure you're following us on Instagram because that's where I hang out the most and post about our progress. But I will, of course, be posting a video when we get the whole thing finished. So, all right, well, thanks for checking out my unboxing video. Have a great day.